Hello.
Hi, Simran.
Hi. Am I audible to you?
Yeah,
Okay. So, hello everyone. Good evening. I can see people are joining. Can you just wait for 1 minute?
yeah, sure.
Okay. So let's start. We'll see who will be joining
Yeah,
us or not. Okay. So basically, good evening to one and all present here. I am the member of Hiteshna Foundation, General Secretary, and the present member Anurag is the president of Hiteshna Foundation. I welcome you.
yeah, thank you.
Okay. So first of all, I would like to wish everybody Eid Mubarak as it's Eid today. So I know सबके घर में सेवइयां बनी होगी.
Yeah,
Yeah. So basically today I'm here to give you some basic tips about what is laughter. Laughter is the medicine, the strongest medicine which we have. So today, I'll be like telling you everybody what does a laugh or a laughter or a smile or that happiness which comes to your face to you. It's what does it creates to you? How important it is in our life. So basically, laughter is the strongest medicines that help us deal with most of our everyday problem. We all know if we are stressed, we are depressed, we have anxieties and all. The main basic thing which we require in a day-to-day life is a laugh. Like if you are with your friends, of course you will enjoy the moment with them, with your family also. Right now you are basically more with your families, not with your friends. So I think families making you remember what you are actually going through and you will be going through in future, or what you
yes, yes.
have actually left behind in past is what you are getting yourself right now. So basically what I'm telling you is that what happens to be more particular is that smile, that happiness which you gain through your friends, your family, through your surrounding is more important to you. So it's basically a day-to-day lifestyles we have changed our lifestyles, we have changed our daily routines, which basically makes us more not so prominent, but it deals with us in such circumstances like we don't prompt to be like merely very happy. So basically what I'm telling you is laughter is something which we needs to overcome, like our stress, our anxiety, with dealing with our day-to-day problems. So I think we should laugh a bit. Like if we cannot laugh on such silly things, of course we don't have to sit and start laughing. That
Yes,
will
yes,
be
yes.
like a thinking she has gone mad or he has gone mad. Of course, what we can do is basically we can meditate. Right, this is something an assumption to it. We can meditate like we can sit, we can breathe for 5 seconds in, 5 seconds out, make ourselves more relaxed, stress out, feel more like we should just put ourselves stressed out from all the
Yeah,
situations coming and all. So, Anurag, we want to say something?
yeah, no, carry on, carry on. It's amazing.
Yeah. So basically, it's what my topic is here. It's been clear to you. So I'll be telling you something more basic about this is something which is very free of cost to us. We don't have to buy this. We don't have to give it to somebody and take it in return like exchange of money or something like that, or bargain or whatever. It's something which is very free to all of us. It's like if we give, we'll get in return, which is happiness, creating happiness around you. If you're making the other person happy, you will be also happy because what you are doing is making you something very good and proud, right? So the thing is, You don't have to be like, I think I'm going in another way. First, I'll tell you what my main thing is. Is the time which is we are going through, the COVID-19 is very, very stressful. We don't know what we are going through, which is um,
I
like
guess
we
two
don't.
of I guess two of your best friends are commenting out and they are liking very much.
Yeah, because
I
they're
know
my
that.
best friend.
I don't know. It's my smile or your smile, but they are liking it.
She will mention it soon.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so okay, we should not direct to her hearts. Basically, my point was in this COVID-19 situation, the problem main is we are so stressful that we don't know when this lockdown will be over, when we will go to our works, our school life, our college life, or our office, or everything. We are just sitting inside a home and doing nothing. That's the main point. What I will suggest is do some yoga. Please do some yoga or do
Yeah.
some exercise, which will make you more and more happy at the end of the day. In fact, take your siblings with you or your parents with you. Do something better than nothing.
Yes. Yes.
It will make you feel good. And just a reminder to everybody is that please watch something which can make you at least laugh for a minute. Something like some comedy movies or some shows or something like that. We have so many things online, Netflix and chill, everybody do it. So why not take advantage of something and just make ourselves more and more happy? So basically, I'm almost like telling you why we should laugh. What I have learned through my life is laughing is something which encourages you and gives you some confidence. It makes you like people are more and more interested in everything, which is like in my school days we used to, not in my school days especially, in all of your school days, you should be you used to laugh so much with your friends, your teachers. You should like gossips and all. So now the time has like changed for you. You have grown, you have been in college, you think everything is changed. Your friends have been changed from years to years, some new are added, some are subtracted. So it's kind of very ups and downs which you deal. So it leads to you stress. Basically stress is something which is always creating you some kind of anxiety and depression. You think that you are having some anxiety and depression, which is not. It's just the stress, and stress is very, very common to everybody nowadays. What I think is to undergo with this stress process is you should overcome yourself with all the things which you really need to. So as I'm recommending you all to please join with some exercises, yogas, meditation, or with some comic movies or from anything like that. Would preferably say you this. And most importantly, laughter is something which lightens you up, burdens all the burden which you have upon yourself. It just let it off, inspires you, hopes you, it connects you with you yourself. Basically the thing is that, but don't laugh too much so that it aches your stomach. That's, you should not do that
Yeah.
much, but it keeps you focused and grounded to whatever you are. So keep laughing, keep spreading smiles, keep spreading happiness, stay safe, and do some uh, exercise, please. It's the most necessary thing I'm telling you here. And second thing is, it's free of cost. You don't have to buy it. You don't have to spend any penny on it. It's just if you are happy, make others also happy. Others also are happy. You should also be happy with them. Just spread the happiness. That's it.
Basically, the thing is, even in the worst to worst situations, you just want to keep a smile on your face and just say, "That's okay. I'm doing it with a smile, and everything will be fine." Just a smile on your
I
face, everything, every tough to tough situation becomes easier.
no, I think it turns out to be little smile if you get to something which is not putting you into that direction into it in a very harsh way. My thing is like, I what I think is, what are my surroundings, my friends think of me is that I'm a very saddened person because I don't smile. I don't know why they all think so, because I have got so many comments about my co-classmates saying that why are you sad? What has happened to you? So I'm like, of course, yeah, I won't be laughing out my teeth every day and every time. So it's just basically like, of course, I have to overcome this. So that's why I chose this topic to overcome with everybody, that we have to laugh. We have to smile. We have to spread the
That's
happiness
it.
in and
Yeah.
out everywhere.
You know,
So no
because
matter what,
because smile is everything in our life. It's a smile on the face. That's the worst of worst situation. It's getting easier just with a smile. If you're smiling,
yeah,
your face glows, your life glows, your friend glows, everything glows, and everything it's look like it's awesome. We need to smile every time, every day, every situation, and just handle it just with a smile, and
yes,
everything will be
that's the best.
easier. That's what I've been personally focusing on and telling to everyone, to my families, to my friends, that please keep a smile on your face. स्माइल रखो, हंसते रहो, दूसरों को भी अच्छा लगेगा, खुश रहो, अंदर से खुश होगे, बाहर से अच्छा लगेगा, बाहर अच्छा बोलोगे, दूसरों को अच्छा लगेगा, और आपको खुद की हैप्पीनेस मिलेगी। बहुत अच्छे से बात है, आप लाइफ बहुत अच्छे से ले सकते हो, एंड यू कैन सी दैट देयर इज नो लाइन ऑन माय नो that area because I always smile. Go ahead. Yeah. I always smile and it's like being awesome. My friend says that तू पागल है, तू क्यों हंसता रहता है टाइम, तू क्यों खुश रहता है? यार खुश रहना कोई दुख छोड़ना है, खुशी है. Because every day I just wake up in the morning, and I always thank God that thank you for providing me another opportunity, and I'll utilize it to full. And my day is same like every day. मैंने एक दिन भी ऐसा नहीं सोचा कि मतलब लॉकडाउन है या कुछ ऐसा है. हाँ, महामारी है, कोरोना वायरस कोविड-19 चल रहा है, बहुत हम लोग को केयर करना चाहिए, बट इस करंट सिचुएशन को अगर हम लोग स्माइल रख के अपना नॉर्मल डेज में रख के चलें तो हम लोग इसमें सक्सीड कर सकते हैं. हम लोगों को सिर्फ ये सोचना है कि मॉर्निंग में उठो तो सेम डे आपका सेम रूटीन रहना चाहिए. आपकी कॉलेज की क्लासेस हैं, आपका कुछ भी ऑफिस वर्क है या एनी अदर रूटीन वर्क, आप लोग उसको उस तरीके से ही चलाओ, घर में ही चीज करो. वर्कआउट है, जो लोग जिम नहीं जा पा रहे हैं वो घर में वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं, प्रॉपर टाइम दे रहे हैं कि सुबह 3 घंटे जिम करना है, टीवी देखना है, फूड खाना है, हर चीज को प्रिपेयर करना है. तो एक सिस्टमैटिक करके अगर हम लोग इस चीज को बैलेंस करके चलें, सो लाइफ इज सो ब्यूटीफुल. Is everything is amazing in life.
Yes, I agree with you. So I think we should end up our session today. That was all. Again, the last message: keep smiling, keep spreading happiness to yourself, to your surroundings, with your family and friends. Enjoy your days, enjoy yourself. That's it. And basically, stay safe.
Yeah,
That's all.
that's the basic thing. Stay safe, stay happy, keep supporting, keep inspiring.
Okay. Bye.
Okay, bye.